huge. Right in front of us. Beth, can you see it? Look, there's a big one. There's a satellite. There's a satellite behind it. Oh my God, it's right in front of us.
That's a massive tornado.
Holy crap. Run those cameras.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Careful.
Yeah, I'm good. I got it. Wow. Oh yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Oh,
Yes.
it's huge. It's huge. It's a big cone. Look at it. Look at it rotate.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Look at that thing spin. Look at the motion.
Yep.
Oh man. Oh God. Wow. Look at the backside of it.
Yep. Careful, this might be a cop up here.
Oh jeez. Art, can you push my dash cam over to point at it?
Yep. You're
Thanks.
good. You're good.
Oh wow. Look at it. Holy cow.
Careful.
That is epic.
Oh man. Now that you can sink your teeth into.
Yep.
Oh. Oh.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, look at that thing.
Jeez.
Oh, we gotta get past these trees.
I know. We may want to find a east option.
Yeah, look for a paved road. I mean, just visually.
Yeah.
I'm keeping the car in a straight and narrow here. Oh man, that thing's a huge cone. Ooh, look at it. Look at the motion on the side of it.
I know.
Oh, wow. This is where it crossed.
Holy crap. Another one.
Whew. Careful. Careful.
It's right
I
there.
know. I know. I know.
I know. I'm not yelling at you. I'm yelling.
Is anybody
right.
coming?
Clear right.
Okay. Oh, yes. This is
Yeah.
perfect. It's paved, too.
Yeah.
Oh. I'm going to try to get a rapid report out.
Seriously.
Do you want me to do it? I can do it with your phone.
No, keep filming. I can get it. I may not have a signal anyway. Stupid AT&T.
Whoa, look at that side boy to see.
Oh man.
Like rotate.
Yeah. Oh, that's on the stream.
Yeah.
Yeah, if your mom's watching, she's seeing it right now. Yeah. Wow.
Is that really going today?
Yeah, that's a nice wide one.
Yeah.
It's not a wedge, it's just a big stout cone.
Yeah.
It's gonna cross the road up here. Look at that live stream.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yep.
Wow. All right, I think we want to take the east road here now.
Yeah. I agree.
Oh wait, What's that look like? No, let's keep going. Oh, that's a big mud mess.
That's a bad road.
Oh man, look at this thing.
Yeah.
Whoa, it's huge.
I know.
This is what we do it for, right here.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh, wow, it's right in those
look
trees.
at the side of it.
Yep.
Okay, now we need to
Find a place to stop and watch it.
Oh, is this the end of the road?
I think so.
Oh man, no way.
At least it's dirt from here on.
All right, we gotta go back. Oh wait, is there dirt
Yeah,
through there?
there's dirt through there. If you can get around these cars.
One other break.
These roads are in pretty good shape.
Yeah, not too bad. Whoa, yeah, it's right out there.
What's this one look like?
Nothing.
Not good.
Not good.
Yeah.
Move on.
Move along. Yeah, we gotta find us a east road here.
Yeah.
Wow. Yeah, look at the side of it. Oh, this might be. Yeah, look at the trees down.
Whoa.
Oh
Those
my gosh,
are.
that's where it went.
Yep, cross right here.
Watch out. Jeez. Yeah, look at that tree damage.
Yeah. Oh man, yeah, we can't get past this.
Nope.
Wow. Let's get out
Whoa.
and look at it.
It's tossing stuff.
Yeah.
It hit something. Whoa.
Oh man.
That's a big tornado again.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Wow. Holy mackerel.
Wow.
Yeah. Watch me come behind the tree. Oh,
Oh,
no, it's
nope.
not on the ground.
I think it touched the ground at least once.
Yeah.
'Cause I saw-
it's
oh.
just a scud bomb right
Yeah. Yeah, because I saw. Cop. I think the cop is trying to pace everybody. Because, like, there's people ahead of him and he, like, sped around and got in front of everybody.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Ah.
And he's taking his time.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see. I think he's just trying to make everyone know the speed limit.
I don't know.
He might be.
I wish he would go away. Maybe we get on a different road.
Yeah. Yeah, if we can find another road.
Yeah, we're gonna need a east road pretty soon anyway.
Yeah. Wow.
Oh, nice. Wow, look at it. It's getting lit up by the sun here.
Yeah.
It's got a little kink in it. Rain.
It's got a big, big debris cloud.
Yeah. Oh. That's wicked. Oh, here we go. Here's a road to the east. The cop takes it though. I'm taking the next one.
No, I think the cop went straight.
Did he?
Yeah,
Okay, good.
I don't see him.
That's funny.
Oh no, he went.
Oh.
Is he turning?
Yeah, no, he went straight.
No, he went right.
Oh,
Did he?
that's all mudded out though.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, he did. He was just, I don't know what he was doing.
Yeah, you can't go that way. It's just totally mudded.
I don't think it's on the ground anymore.
Nah.
Tornado has lifted. Oh, the cop stopped.
Good.
Yeah.
Maybe it'll reform that we can.
Oh, they're both stopped. Oh, yeah, it's reforming.
Oh yes.
Just keeps going.
Wow.
Jeez.
It's awesome.
That's an awesome tornado.
Yeah.
Are you getting good pictures, Beth? Oh, good. Yeah, you're gonna get the best stuff back there. You're gonna get the best stuff back there.
Am I?
Well, yeah, because you got an open window.
Oh, yeah, on both sides. That's great.
We got a bunch of rain.
Oh yeah.
We got power lines now.
Wow, look at it snake way up into the.
Whoa. Big. Oh, no. Those do not.
Look at it snake way up into the cloud.
I know. Yeah, that thing is long.
You know. Jen got her first tornado too. Then
Oh, yeah.
that's awesome.
I guess if any day you're gonna get your first tornado, this would be the day.
Wow, look at it go way up there.
Yep.
Yeah. Getting all my shapes in.
Yeah.
That's like how my first real tornado day was. Had like every shape of tornado.
What the heck? People stopping in the middle of the road?
I know.
I can pull out.
Yeah. Come on. Really? Seriously?
Yeah.
It's just a beautiful shot of the road, the sun and everything.
Wow. Yeah. Look at the twisting motion in the middle of it there. It's got like little ribbons.
I'll find us a place to stop.
Yeah. Yeah. We are. We are close now.
Yeah.